Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mega High Tech Systems and you're on to Learn with Ice and with Pencil. In today's video, we'll be looking at how you can generate a background for your YouTube production. And you can generate a background like this for your YouTube production. So guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscription button, press the notification button, also to share this video so that others can also learn from it. All right, let's dive into what we have for today.
Now the first thing you do is go to ChatGPT and you're going to give ChatGPT a prompt that okay, you're going to give ChatGPT a prompt. We want to generate a background that will be used for our YouTube recording. All right, so you try to explain exactly what you need from ChatGPT. As you can see, I've given ChatGPT a prompt: generate a standard recording studio for YouTube video production with microphone, flag, gaming chair, and other necessary items needed in a standard studio. Type should be YouTube size 16 by 9. So I'm going to click on, where is okay, click on this. Okay. So wait for ChatGPT to upload the image. As you can see, it's processing. Okay guys, image is ready. Alright guys, if you get value from this, please do subscribe to the channel and press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll get to see it. Please